Hello everybody, welcome back to Financiable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to sign up for Discover Bank. So if you're willing to sign up for Discover Bank but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to sign up for Discover Bank. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in discoverbank.com and hit the enter, and you will be appear with this screen interface on your device. Now from the appeared screen, there you can see open an account option. Click on it. In order to sign up, you can see many options like instance, checking account, online savings account, and etc. You can choose which account type you want to create. For example, I'm choosing online savings account. Once you do that, you will be appear with sign up form. So here they will ask for your basic information to create a new account. Simply fill up all the form and you will be taken to next step. Simply fill up all the forms asked there and you will be easily sign up for Discover Bank. That's all guys, this is how easily you can sign up for Discover Bank. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.